Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Downtown Memphis sits on the high Chickasaw Bluffs above the Mississippi River at the point where Tennessee meets Arkansas and Mississippi. The larger city of Memphis was founded in 1819 and was named after the ancient Egyptian city of Memphis. The central downtown core today covers roughly 2.7 square miles and has about 11,500 residents. The downtown area carries scars from decades of decline. Some once prominent skyscrapers and historic towers stood empty for years. Their abandonment reflected broader economic decline, shifting industry, suburban sprawl, and disinvestment in the inner city. Today, though, downtown is showing signs of revival. Historic buildings are being purchased for redevelopment, new mixed-use projects are underway, and cultural landmarks, entertainment venues, and riverfront redevelopment help draw residents and visitors. The combination of history, renewal efforts, culture, and location gives downtown Memphis a complicated but compelling character for anyone driving through. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Memphis, Tennessee.
Thank you very much. very much.
Thanks for watching!